Today we are going to solve some more questions about exercise 5.2. So today's video is going to be very interesting. So let's see what is the question. Question is we are going to solve question number 3. What is the question number 3? Question number 3 is find the value of k. Find the value of k if area of triangle is 35 square unit. If area of triangle is 35 square unit and vertices of triangle are K4 2, minus 6 2, minus 6 and 5, 4 and 5, 4. Students, this is question. So how can we solve? Let's see. Find the value of k if area of triangle is 35 square unit and vertices of the triangles are K4 2, minus 6 and 5, 4. It is given K4 2, minus 6 and 5, 4. Then we have to find the value of k. When we have to find the value of k, always remember that we have to use the area of triangle positive and negative both. Okay, because when we have to find the area of triangle, it may be not, it is always positive, but when we are going to find the value of k, it may be positive or negative. So we have to use negative or positive sign before the area of square. Okay, so area of triangle, area of triangle equal 1 by 2. It is x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1, and it is plus minus 35. Okay, so we can say 35 means area of triangle. It is a formula. Okay, it is a formula. Now if we can say that if x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 are vertices of triangle. Okay, now area of triangle equal 1 by 2. X1 y1 1 means K4 1 2 minus 6 1 5 4 1. Okay, so it is plus minus 35. Now take 2 to other side, so we can say that it is and now we are going to solve this. So we can say that k, it is 4, it is minus 6 minus 4, minus 6 minus 4, take 2 to other side, k minus 6 minus 4 plus minus plus, so it is minus 4 and it is removed, so it is 2 minus 5 and it is plus 1, it is 8 minus plus, it is 40. When we are using k, so this and this line is removed, it is minus 6 minus 4, and when we have to use minus 4, so this line and this line is removed, so it is 2 minus 5. When we are going to open with 1, so we can say that it is a 8 minus it is 8 minus 30. It is 8 minus 30 means plus 30. Okay, so what about here? It is k and it is minus 10, it is minus 4 minus 3 and it is 38 equal 70 plus minus 70. So it is minus 10k plus 12 plus 38 equal plus minus 70, it is minus 10k plus 50 equal plus minus 70. Now use positive sign. Positive sign means minus 10k plus 50 equal 70 and minus 10k equal 70 minus 50, it is 20. So k equal minus 2. And after using negative sign, what happened if we are using negative sign? What happened? It is minus 10k plus 50 equal minus 70. So minus 10k equal minus 70 minus 50. So minus 10k equal minus 120. So k equal 12. So students, it is your answer. K equal 12. It is your answer. Okay, so this is completed now. K equal minus 12 and k equal 12. So now we are going to solve next question. What is next question? Let's see. We are going to solve question number 4. So what is question number 4? Let's see. Question number 4 is use the determinant to find the value of k if points are given, that is k comma 2 minus 2k. Next one is minus k plus 1 comma 2k, and it is 4 minus k comma 6 minus 2k are collinear. So it is example. It is question number 4. Okay, points are k 2 minus 2k, minus k plus 1 2k, minus 4 minus k and 6 minus 2k. Okay, so students, this is question, and you know very well if there is a collinearity, then we have to find the value of determinant. If collinearity, then area of triangle is 0. So given points are collinear if area of triangle equal 0. So it is k 2 minus 2k 1 minus k plus 1 2k 1 minus 4 minus k 6 minus 2k 1 equal 0. 1 by 2, take 1 by 2 to other side, so it is 0 students. Okay, so 1 by 2 is 0. 0 upon 1 by 2, it is 0. Now we are going to solve this. So it is k 6 minus 2k multiplied by 1 minus k, 6 minus 2k multiplied by 1 minus k, and minus 2k multiplied by minus 4 minus k, again right. We are going to open plus minus plus, so it is k and it is 2k minus 6 plus 2k. This 2k minus 6 plus 2k. Okay, now minus 2 minus 2k, we are going to with respect to this, so this and this is removed, so it is minus k plus 1 and it is minus 4 minus k. When we are going to open with this, so we can say that this is removed, so it is minus k plus 1 multiplied by this, and it is multiplied by minus 4 minus k, and negative sign is between them. Okay, it is plus 1 now. What about here? It is minus k plus 1 multiplied by 6 minus 2k, minus k plus 1 multiplied by 6 minus 2k, and it is minus 2k multiplied by minus 4 minus k. Look again, minus k plus 1 multiplied by 6 minus 2k, and 2k multiplied by minus 2k multiplied by minus 4 minus k equal 0. Okay, now solve some steps. It is k, 2k 2k 4k minus 6 minus 2 minus 2k, it is minus k plus 1 minus minus plus 4 plus k plus 4 plus k plus 1, it is minus 6k plus 2k square plus 6 minus 2k minus 2k, it is plus 8k plus 2k square equal 0. It is 4k square minus 6k, and it is 2 minus 2k multiplied by k is cancelled by k, it is a 5. So we can write here 5 means 5 2 minus 2k plus, it is a minus 6, it is a 2k square, it is a minus 6k, and minus 2k minus 8k, and it is a 6 plus 2k square plus 8k equal 0. So what about here? It is a 4k square minus 6k minus 10 plus 10k plus 2k square minus 8k plus 6 plus 8 2k square plus 8k equal 0. So it is a 8k and it is a minus 8k, it is cancelled. 4k square, 2k square, 6k square, and 2k square, it is 8k square. Minus 6k minus 10k minus 10, and it is minus 6k and minus 6k plus 10k means 4k. 4k or 2k means 6k. Okay, k square minus 6k or 10k, it means 4k, 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 that's all, plus 4k. Anything is remaining, minus 10 and it is 6, minus 10 plus 6, it is minus 4. So 4 is a common, so it is 2k square plus 2, it is k minus 1 equal 0. So 2k square plus k minus 1 equal 0. So do the factor. So it is 2k square. Factors is 2 into 1. So it is 2k minus 1 equal 0. 2k is the common, so k plus 1, and it is minus 1 common, so it is k plus 1 equal 0. K plus 1 is again common, so it is 2k minus 1 equal 0. So k equal minus 1 or k equal 1 by 2. So students, there are two answers of k equal maybe 1 by 2 and k equal minus 1. So these are two values of k. So actually this is very interesting question and very important question also for regarding board classes. So you have to solve these questions by yourself also. Okay, so now we are going to solve next question, that is question number 5. So students, what is the question number 5? Let's see. Okay, so question number 5 is if points 3 minus 2 x comma 2 8 comma 8 are collinear, then find the value of x using determinant. Okay, if points 3 comma minus 2 x comma 2 8 comma 8 are collinear, then find the value of x using determinant. So it is a very simple question, students. Why? Because area of triangle equals 0 if points are collinear. So area of triangle 1 by 2, it is 3 minus 2 1 x 2 1 8 8 1 equals 0. So 1 by 2 is a 0. So it is 3, it is a 2 minus 8 plus 2, it is x minus 8. It is plus 1, so it is 8x minus 16 equals 0. So it is a 6 minus 18 plus 2x minus 16 plus 8x minus 16 equals 0. It is minus 18, it is 8x and it is 2x, so it is 10x. It is 32, it is 32 minus 32 and it is minus 18. So we can say that it is a 50, 0, so x equal 5. So students, what is the value? We can say that the value of x is 5. So this is very simple question, students. Now we are going to solve next question. What is the next question? Let's see. Next question is question number 6. So what is the question number 6? Let's see. Question number 6 is find the equation of the line. Question number 6 is a question from the chapter of straight line. In previous year you have learned in 11th class that what is the straight line, how can you find the straight line. I think you know all the formulas, means what is the line of equation which is passing through 1 points, what is the line of equation which is passing through 2 points, what is the line of equation which is passing through 3 points, and what is the condition. If a line is passing through 2 points and it is also passing through third point, then we can say that it is third point will satisfy the that line. So it means there is a collinearity. But it is in 11th class and it is a basic knowledge about the straight line. Now we have to solve these questions by determinant. We have to use the determinant because determinant is not the syllabus in 11th class, so we can't discuss there about the determinant, but this is very simple method. Okay, so now we are going to solve this. What is question number 6? Let's see. Find the equation of line. Find the equation of line. Find the equation of line passing through the 2 points passing through 2 points 3, 1 and 9, 3 using determinant. Also find the area of triangle. If third point is -2, -4. Find the equation of line which is passing through 2 points. It is very simple question, but maybe conceptual question is there. It is based on theory. Find the equation of a line which is passing through the 2 points. Find the equation of line which is passing through 2 points. It means let the equation of a line is passing through 3, 1 and 9, 3. It is passing through these 2 points. It is a 3, 1 and it is 9, 3. Let it is a x, y. Let it is a point is x, y. And third point, we supposed that it is x, y. So what happened? It is x, y, 1 and it is 9, 3, 1. 3, 1, 1. It is 9, 3, 1 and it is area of triangle and it is equal to 0. When we have to find the value of a line of equation, then we have to always find the determinant and its value should be 0. So 1/2 is the 0, so it is a 0. Now it is we are going to solve plus minus plus, so it is x and it is 1 minus 3, it is minus y. It means it is a 3 minus 9, 3 minus 9 and it is a plus 1, so it is 9 minus 9 equal 0. So it is a minus 2x minus y, it is a 6 minus 6, so it is a plus and it is 0. So minus 2x plus 6y equal 0. So we can say that take minus 2x equal minus 6y. So x equal 3y, x equal minus 3y or x plus 3y equal 0. So students, it is your line of equation. So very easily we will find the value of this line. This is x minus 3y. It is minus 6y, so we can say that x minus 3y. X minus 3y equal 0. Okay. So your answer is x minus 3y equal 0. This is your answer. Now we are going to solve. Okay, so a part of there is also that is given points are collinear or not. So students, given points are 3, 1 in previous video, 3, 1 and 9 comma 3 is the points are given, and third point is also given, that is minus 2 comma minus 4. So now we have to check that given points we have to also find the area of triangle of points are minus 2 comma 4, 3 comma 1, 9 comma 3 and minus 2 comma 4 are the vertices of triangle. Now so area of triangle equal 1 by 2, it is 3 1 1 9 3 1 minus 2 minus 4 1. So it is 1 by 2 and it is 3 and plus minus plus. Okay, so it is a 3 minus plus 3 into 1 3 minus 4 into 1 minus 4 and use negative sign before it, so it is 4. Now minus 1 and it is 9 plus 2. Now plus 1, it is minus 36 plus 6. So it is 1 by 2 and it is 3 and it is 7 minus 11 plus, it is minus 30. So we can say that it is 1 by 2 and it is 21 minus 11 minus 30. So we can say that 21 and it is 41, it is minus 41. So what is the value? It is 20. 1 by 2 into 20, so we can say that it is 10. So we can say that your answer is 10 unit square. So students, if third point is used as a third vertices, then area of triangle will be 0, area of triangle will be 10. So it is your question and it is your answer. Now now we have to solve some questions. Next question that is related to Cramer's rule. And what is the Cramer's rule? Now we have to think, but now next questions are so large, so we will discuss in next videos. So if you are having any problem regarding mathematics, then you can contact me. It's not a problem. We will discuss some problems, some more questions. But if you are having some problems, then what is the system to understand? Always remember that mathematical videos are related to 1 by 1. If you have watched previous video and you can watch 1 by 1 video, you can watch 1 by 1 video, then you can understand better. And if you directly watch this video, you can't understand anything. It is allowed on all the videos. So always, if you are going to start any chapter, then you have to start from watching from starting. Okay, so watch first video, second, third, fourth, fifth, then you can understand this chapter better. Middle terms can't allow to watch this. Okay, so always remember that you have to know about the first video, second video, third video, fourth video, fifth video. Then this is the system to understand about the video.